is the representation of how the actual eSpring filter is differs from the competitors. These are two main competitors. I have to tell you that I already purchased 15 others of it, and it's worked like with the exact same, so you can try that at home if you'd like as well. You can see it's a very smooth surface. It's very even. If you compare it with the competitors, it's more porous. You can see the actual grittles and piece of it, same here. This difference happens because of the different technology production. So we produce ours in a 3-in-1 technology. When first step is we use coconut shell carbon. Coconut shell is a food waste, what we can use to actually make some good, create some good things. So we first burn it in a very high temperature, creating the carbon itself, and then we mold it, we put it in a mold, and then, which is very important, we compress it in a very high pressure to create this even carbon black. Of course, for this reason, for one filter, we need more carbon because we are pressing it. Competitors can skip this step. They're not going to press it. They're just going to collect the carbon and put it into the mold. That's why it's grittling. That's why it has this porous surface. What's the problem with that? So, our filter, I can put the drops of it. See? It absorbs completely, immediately. So, not even more. See? Even I put more, it's absorbed it without a single drop of waste. If we try that with the old one, not the old one, with the competitors, it's almost like water resistant. It stays on the top, see? What's the problem with that? Because this surface in this way does not absorb the water. If the water doesn't go into the filter, how are you gonna filter it? Competitors can show us like, it's a carbon filter, it also filters bacteria, viruses, this and that. Yes, if it goes through, and the rest of it, it's unfiltered. And that's a huge change. Rather than we have the 3-layer, if we consider that our filter is a multi-layer filter, so we have a top layer, and then this fiber, very nice fiber defense layer. It means that the water which is going to touch the carbon block is already pre-filtered. It's important because the bigger particles like iron, chlorine, sand, it's not going to stuck on the surface of the carbon, so the carbon filter can actually do its job to filter out everything down to 0.5 micron, and that makes the difference. This way we can maximize the effectiveness of the filtration process and avoid that the actual filtered water still gonna have some contaminants in it.